Good morning friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is 20th May 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 19th and 20th May 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was to provide mentorship to tribal youth, which program has been started by Indian government recently. Answer is GOAL, GOAL. Long form of GOAL is going online as leaders. Next question was to improve irrigation services and flood management, in which state India has signed a loan agreement of $145 million with AIIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Answer is West Bengal. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Telecommunication and Information Society Day? Answer is 17th of May. Fourth question was which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Living Together in Peace? Answer is 16th May. Which of the following day is celebrated as National Dengue Day every year? Answer is 16th May. Sixth question was which of the following countries has become the first European country to announce an end of COVID-19? Answer is Slovenia. Next, which of the following organizations has recently released Global Nutrition Report 2020? Answer is WHO, that is World Health Organization. Eighth question was who has been appointed as the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India recently? Answer is V. Vidyavati. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Hypertension Day every year? It is celebrated on 17th of May. And last question was according to which of the following organizations the global economy could suffer $8.8 trillion loss due to COVID-19? Answer is Asian Development Bank. These were the 10 questions asked in our last video. Now we will start today's video. Our first question is the Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Harsh Vardhan has dedicated which COVID-19 testing machine to the nation recently? Answer is option number 3, Cobas 6800. Recently, Dr. Harsh Vardhan, Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, dedicated the Cobas 6800 COVID-19 testing machine to the nation during a visit to the National Center for Disease Control, that is NCDC in New Delhi. This machine will provide high volume and quality testing and will be able to test around 1200 samples in 24 hours. This will help to increase the testing capacity in the country. Answer is option number 3. Next question. The police of which state or union territory got India's first thermal corona combat headgear to ensure the safety of frontline warriors and enforce social distancing? Answer is option number 4, Delhi. Recently, Delhi police has launched India's first thermal corona combat headgear to ensure the safety of frontline warriors and enforce social distancing. The initiative has been launched by the Delhi police in collaboration with Indian Robotics Solution. This equipment helps police personnel to detect the temperature of a large number of people from a distance of nearly 10 to 15 meters. Answer will be option number 4, Delhi. Next question. Name the country which has named one of its streets after India's poet Rabindranath Tagore on his 159th birth anniversary recently. Answer is option number 4, Israel. Recently, Israel named a street in Tel Aviv after Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore on his 159th birth anniversary to honor his valuable contribution to mankind. That is, Rabindranath Tagore was born on May 7th, 1861 in Calcutta. Answer is option number 4, Israel. Israel, look at the map. This is Israel. Capital is Jerusalem. Prime Minister is Benjamin Netanyahu and currency of Israel is new shekel. Next question. Who among the following has represented India in the 32nd Commonwealth Health Ministers meeting recently? Answer is option number 1, Harsh Vardhan. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Harsh Vardhan participated in the 32nd Commonwealth Health Ministers meeting through video conferencing. Theme of this meeting was delivering a coordinated Commonwealth COVID-19 response. What is Commonwealth? Commonwealth is a political association of 54 member states, nearly all former territories of the British Empire. Its headquarters is in London. Next, what is the name of the cyclone that is likely to hit the coasts of Odisha and West Bengal on May 20? Answer is option number 2, Amphan. Recently, the Home Ministry stated that the cyclone Amphan will likely turn into a super cyclonic storm and will hit the coast of Odisha and West Bengal on May 20. The Indian Meteorological Department had earlier informed that the storm has turned extremely severe over the Bay of Bengal. Answer is option number 2. Next question. National Award winning director Ratnakar Matkari has passed away recently after testing positive for coronavirus. He was the famous theatre personality belonging to which of the following states? Answer is option number 2, Maharashtra. This was Ratnagar Matkari. He was the National Award winning director and he was from Maharashtra. And he recently passed away in Mumbai at the age of 81 years due to coronavirus. He had tested positive for coronavirus few days before and was under treatment. Answer is option number 2, Maharashtra. Maharashtra, this is Maharashtra. Capital is Mumbai. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari and CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Next, the book Wuhan Diary, Dispatches from a Quarantined City has been written by Dash. Answer is option number 1, Fang Fang. Fang Fang is a Chinese writer and a book which was recently released, Wuhan Diary, Dispatches from a Quarantine City, has been written by Fang Fang. In this book, he has documented 60 days of lockdown during the COVID-19 epidemic. This captures the challenges of daily life and the changing moods and emotions of being quarantined without reliable information. Answer is option number 1. Next, Benjamin Netanyahu has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Dash. Answer is option number 2, Israel. Recently, Benjamin Netanyahu has sworn as the Prime Minister of Israel for the 5th time. Answer is option number 2. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Museum Day? Answer is option number 3, 18th May. 18th May has been celebrated as International Museum Day. It is celebrated every year to raise awareness among people about museum, and theme for 2020's International Museum Day was Museum for Equality, Diversity and Inclusion. Answer is option number 3. This is important day of May. In the month of May, 1st May was celebrated as International Labour Day, Maharashtra Day and Gujarat Day. 3rd May was World Press Freedom Day and World Laughter Day. 4th May was International Firefighters Day. 5th May was World Asthma Day, World Hygiene Day and International Midwives Day. 7th May was World Athletics Day. 8th May was World Thalassemia Day and World Red Cross Day. 9th May was World Migratory Bird Day. 11th May was National Technology Day. 12th May was International Nurses Day. 15th May was International Day of Family. 16th May was Sikkim Day, International Day of Life, International Day of Living Together and National Dengue Day. 17th May was World Telecommunication and Information Day, World Hypertension Day. And now 18th May as International Museum Day. Now answer of the question which was asked in our last video. Question was, which state government has banned 11 brands of pan masala for 1 year due to presence of magnesium carbonate in it? Answer is option number 1, Jharkhand. Recently, Jharkhand government has banned 11 brands of pan masala in Jharkhand due to presence of magnesium carbonate in it. Answer will be option number 1. Now today's question. Question is, which of the following organizations has released the State of the World's Nursing Report 2020? Options are ILO, UNICEF, UNESCO and WHO. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below or we'll discuss this question in the next video.